Hello, you have Tanisha Macklin here from Peaceful Birthing Doula. And one of the things that we're going to be talking about today will be postpartum recovery. One of the things that everybody's concerned about after giving birth is what is going to happen to their vagina, right? You're either concerned that it's going to tear, you're going to have stitches, will it snap back to the way it was, and what will help you do that, right? So one of the things we'll be discussing today will be a part of the recovery process. If you tear, or even if you don't tear, there are different types of tear. There are different degrees of tears. There's first degree, second degree, and third degree. First degree, they typically don't stitch you for it unless it's a different way. But if it tears first degree, sometimes they will allow you to heal normally on your own. Second degree, you may get stitched. Third degree, of course, you may get stitched. But what we're going to be talking about today is how you recover after the tear or just the healing process. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to make what's called Padsicles, right? It sounds crazy, but it is so amazing. After you give birth, what happens to you is they're going to do a bunch of stuff to kind of help you. But one of the things they'll do is they're going to give you these mesh panties. Now, mind you, they are hideous. They're just these mesh panties, but they are the bomb underpants. Trust me. No one wants elastic on their tummy. Nobody wants anything fitting on them. So these little mesh undies are the best. Then they're going to give you this long ice pack that you're going to put in the underpants with a pad. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to help with that without having to get that big old pad. And you can do this at home. You can have these already made for you while you're in the hospital. But what you're going to do is you're going to work on the Padsicle. You can make a couple of these. You could do like 6 to 12 of these. And so what I want you to do is you're going to get you an overnight pad, right? I use a organic overnight pad. I believe it's called Ale. I love these. No bleach, none of that stuff. Whatever you want. Most of us used to wear Always, Stay Free, and all of that is completely fine if you want to, but I don't like to put a lot of stuff on me. So anyway, you're going to take off the little stickies, and you're going to open up the wings, and you're going to need 2 ingredients. I use the aloe vera gel. I use witch hazel. And then you may or may not use lavender. You can do like a lavender or a chamomile, anything that's good for reducing inflammation. And then a lot of times people just want to feel like they smell good, so putting a little lavender on doesn't hurt. This Padsicle will not have lavender on it. You are free to put lavender on it if you like. So what I start out with is we'll do the witch hazel first. And you're going to squirt the witch hazel. Oh, is this one not the right one? Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. This one is not open. So sorry. And of course I spill a little bit, right? So you're going to take a little witch hazel and you're going to squirt it on the inside. Now what you could do is you can put it in a spray bottle and spray it so you can limit how much you put on there. I'm a little excessive. And then you can get your aloe vera gel. Put your aloe vera gel on there. And then you would smear that on there, right? You can use a spoon. You can do any of that. And then you're going to close your pad back up, okay? Going to close your pad back up if you can. Okay. And then there, voila. And then what you do is you stick it in your freezer. So my freezer is down here. I would suggest doing about 6 to 12 of these. Get you a Ziploc bag, put them in a Ziploc bag, and then stick them in the freezer. I also would suggest that you set these up and start doing, you can do them like 2 weeks out from your due date. Again, your due dates are 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after, so you really don't know when you're gonna be giving birth. So since you do not know when you're gonna give birth, my suggestion to you is to just do them 2 weeks out. For more tips for postpartum recovery, you are welcome to send any messages or emails. My website is peacefulbirthingdoula.com. You can email me at peacefulbirthingdoula@gmail.com. And you can also call the office 630-635-2189 and leave a message. And usually give me 24 hours. I have a couple moms due, so if I'm not able to get back to you right away, I will at my earliest convenience. If you want an immediate response, please email. And that you'll get a quicker reply back from there. For more tips and tricks, please continue to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you so much. I appreciate you and all that you do. May God bless you. Bye-bye.